Hello, today I'm in Skoda Octavia. In this video I'll show you how to check map version and how to update it. In the beginning you'll have to have a newest map version installed on external device and inserted into the car ports. For example, it can be USB port or SD card port. Then let's take a look at the screen display and go to navigation. Enter setup, version information, and here's your current version information. To update it, select update, and now the car is searching for software updates. Then you'll just have to select the software update or it will be done automatically. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.